video, I'll be showing you guys step by step how I will make a wig and how I will color the wig using studio paints. Stay tuned for this video and don't miss. The hair I will be using for this tutorial video is from Ali Sugar Hair on AliExpress. I will be using their Peruvian 613 color to make a wig and a free part closure. The inches I will be using 24 and a closure of 20 inches, which all the details will be in the description box. And there you can see this is their free part closure, which I will be creating a part later on. And there is silky and beautiful. Likewise, the bundles. You can use any wig cap of your choice. You can use a dome cap, and you can also use a lace wig cap like this. And then this is the one I will be using because this one came with adjustable straps. That is why I am to use this. You can get this online. And I will go ahead and sew down the closure first, and I will use security pins to secure the closure to the cap properly. Like I said in my wig boss braids wig video, it's very important to secure your closure before sewing closure so that your closure will be wear flat and then nice. And then after securing the closure with pins, and then I'll go ahead and sew around the closure like this. I will not be naughty just because I don't want the thread, the black thread, to show much. And then you can go ahead and use the same color as the hair. And then it was also okay for me to use black thread. After sewing down the closure, I will go ahead and secure and then cut off the excess thread. This is how it looks. You can see we're flat and nice. And then what I will do now is to go ahead and sew down the bundles. And then because I want the wig to have volume, I will double the weft, and I will also go ahead and do flip over method because I don't usually like to cut my weft. Maybe 1.5 here, you want to change, it will be very easier to just loosen up the thread and sew the hair to another wig cap. That is the reason why I don't usually like to pieces my weft. And then like I said, we just go ahead and do flip over method. This is the wig, just for me to show you guys how it looks with the 613 color. I will go ahead and put on the wig for you guys to see. And I was not actually feeling this color. What do you guys think? You can see the part is not looking natural, but the hair is very, very silky and soft. And I was still thinking, what will I do with this hair? What will I do with this hair? And you can see a lot of people like this color, and I think I like it also because it's easier to color. Why I like 613 color is just because if you are to color the wig, it's easier than using black hair. That we do need just to go ahead and color the wig. I look for watercolor in Sweden. I could not find. It's very, very difficult to find hair tools in Sweden. And I went to Panduro. There was a lady that recommended studio paint, that she herself tried studio paint, that if I try studio paint that I will thank her. Then I was like, okay, I will give a try. I'm here to give a try to the studio paint. And I will also go ahead and add a little bit of violet paint. I put warm water in a bowl, put a little bit of violet paint and the press studio paint, mix together, and I place the wig. And there you guys can see, I will just allow the wig to soak. I was very nervous doing this. I was like, oh my gosh, this wig is gone. And I went ahead and I allowed the wig to dry up overnight. And then the following morning, I flat ironed the wig. And then this is the look. You guys can see. I was happy. I like the color. Like, it came out pretty as for me. I like the color. I don't know what you think, but as for me, I am happy with the result. And then what I will do now, just for me to create natural looking parts, I will go ahead and use eyeliner brown pencil to color the wig at the front a little bit. Try this method, you will thank me later. If I am tired of the scalp, I can actually use water. I just dip in a towel inside cold water or warm water, clean it up, and then the pencil color will be gone. And I will just go ahead and use the eyeliner pencil to color it a little bit. And I will just go ahead and brush a little bit. And then this is the look. You can see, come a little bit, try to style it to my own desire. You can see. And then this is me. I'm about to put on the wig. And then I place the wig on my head. And you can see, I was so nervous, but guys, I was liking the color. What do you guys think of this color? Do you like it on me? And then I did knot it to the part. You can see it's looking very natural. I did applied got-to-be glue, no gel, nothing. And then you can see it's looking natural, and I preferred this color than the 613 color I tried before. I was nervous that the hair will spoil, but the hair is still intact, silky, soft, and beautiful. Everything about this hair perfect. I like the quality of the hair. And don't forget that this hair is from Ali Sugar Hair. This is their Peruvian straight hair 613 color, and I turned the 613 color to this color you are seeing. And I used their 24 inches and a closure of 20 inches, which all the details will be in the description box. Comment in the description box what you think about this color. If you enjoyed this video like as I enjoyed filming it, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.